Hello, welcome to video 4 on our farm theme. In this video, I'm going to share with you 2 more farm-themed activities you can do with your preschooler. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Hello and welcome back to video 4 on our farm theme. Today's video, I'm going to share with you 2 activities that you can do with your preschoolers that focus on gross motor skills and letter and number sequencing. The first activity is a gross motor activity. It is a farm animal toss. For this activity, all you need are plastic farm animals and some point cards. I just made point cards out of construction paper that you can lay on the ground, table, or wherever you're doing this activity. The children will take turns throwing the farm animals to try and earn points by letting them land on the numbered cards. The second activity is a letter or number sequencing activity. For this activity, I took pictures of farm animals and put the letters or numbers I wanted the child to place in order. For this activity, the children will try and place all the animals in the correct order based on the letter sequence. Thanks for watching those 2 activity ideas. I hope you enjoyed them, and I will see you in video 5. Bye.